Hello students, very good morning to all of you. This is Chandramohan, Department of Physics. In the last class, I explained an activity that is sin I by sin R is constant. And today in this class, I am going to explain an activity that the angle of refraction is greater than the angle of incidence when a light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. So today we are verifying an activity. That activity explains angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence when a light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. So angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence only be obtained when a light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. So see, the aim of the activity is we are verifying that angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence. Angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence when a light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. So angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence. This only be obtained when a light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. So to perform this activity, let us see the materials are required. Let us see the materials are required to perform this activity is a opaque walls, wide opening vessel, opaque walls, wide opening vessel, a circular plastic disc, protractor, scale, pencil, a circular plastic disc, protractor, scales, opaque walls, wide opening vessel, and two straws. So let us see once again. Today we are going to explain an activity that angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence. This activity we are performing when a light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. And to perform this activity, the materials are required for this is opaque walls, wide opening vessel, circular plastic disc, protractor, scale, pencil, and two straws. So in the last class, I already explained to find the refractive index of a semicircular glass disc. In that, here we want to find the angle of incidence and angle of refraction. We draw a circular, we mark the angles on a drawing sheet with the help of a protractor. Here also we have to take a metal disc or a plastic disc. Here I am taking only plastic disc. Why? Because here we are performing an activity in a water. So on this is a circular plastic disc. On the circular plastic disc, with the help of a scale, we have to draw one horizontal line, one vertical line, and with the help of a protractor, we have to mark the angles 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And similarly, on all the sides, with the help of a protractor, we have to mark the angles on all the sides. So which represents like this. So by using a protractor and scale, we have to mark the angles on a circular plastic disc like this. On a circular plastic disc, I have to mark the angles. So this is the line MM dash, and this is the line NN dash, and this is the center O. So here you have to mark the angles 10, 20, this side also 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. So throughout the circle you have to mark the angles 10, 20, 30, 40. This side also you have to mark the angle 10, 20, 30 like that. And after that, so first take a circular plastic disc. On the circular plastic disc, with the help of a pencil, scale, protractor, mark the angles on either side of NN dash, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. This side also 10, 20, 30, 40 like that. So you have to represent the angles. Here we cannot able to show the big diagram. I will show you in a big diagram. Let us see here. So you have to take a, so here I will show the picture in a big diagram. Let us see here. This is a circular plastic disc. Why here I am taking a circular plastic disc? Because here we want to mark the angles. We want to mark the angles. And if you take a metal disc, that metal disc will sink inside the water. But this circular plastic disc, it will floats on the surface of water. 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. And similarly 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. So like that you have to mark the angles. Here I am thickening the line which shows the perpendicular, that is M dash N dash. So this is the line M dash and this is the line N dash. So this is a circular plastic disc. On either side of N dash 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And similarly this side also 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So after that take a pin and make a hole at the center of the disc. Take a pin and make a hole at the center of the disc. And take two straws. Take two straws whose length is nearly equal to the radius of the disc. So you have to take the length of the straw whose length is equal to the radius of the disc. By using a pin, you have to keep two straws. You have to keep two straws along ON by piercing a pin at the center of the disc. After that, you can move the straw on any side of N. Any side of N, like the hands of a clock. Like the hands of a clock in a clock. So, suppose this is a piece of straw. This piece of straw we can move. Why? Because here we are piercing the pin at the center of the disc. So, we can move the straw in any direction. So, we can move the straw in any direction. So, we can move the straw in any direction. So, like that you have to arrange two straws along ON.